Well, guys, Thanksgiving is just about 2 weeks away, and if you're hosting, that gives you 16 days to shop, prep, and cook. Now, roasting, frying, and baking a big feast can be demanding, so this morning we have an easy-to-follow timeline of what needs to get done for a stress-free holiday dinner.
Chef Tracy Saltzman is an instructor at
the Gourmandise School.
See, she says it better than me. In Santa Monica. Perfect. She's here with the ultimate game plan to help you stay organized. And that's really what it's about right now, right? We're just about 2 weeks away. And you have some timelines.
We do. We do. We have a full blog on our website at thegourmandiseschool.com.
Okay.
And you can go and find out all my tricks and tips for pre-prepping
Your
Thanksgiving.
spread is so gorgeous.
Thank you.
I have to start with
the main
turkey
dish.
Okay, so this turkey has been dry brined. There's a big difference between wet brining and dry brining.
Okay.
Wet brining is you put it into salted water and you let it sit for 18 hours.
That's what my family does.
Exactly. What happens to that, though, is you get a lot of water in your turkey, so it sort of waters down the turkey flavor. Dry brining is where you just brine it with salt.
Okay.
And you sprinkle salt all over it, and you let it sit for 24 to 48 hours.
And let that settle in.
Yeah, it crisps up dries out the skin, so it gets more crispy when you're...
Do you rinse the salt off?
Nope, you keep the salt.
You can tell I don't cook it good. I bring a side dish.
It makes sense to me because
it'll soak in.
Exactly. It does something called osmosis, where it releases the water and then soaks it back up.
But it looks like you've also spatchcocked this turkey.
I have spatchcocked this turkey.
And what is that? Because they keep saying it this morning. I've never heard of spatchcock.
This is how my mother does it. And I have to say it is
the
always
best.
Great.
Basically, when you're roasting a turkey, you do not need the backbone.
Okay.
It gets in the way. Makes it much longer to cook a turkey. So if you take the backbone out, that's called spatchcocking.
You make your life easier.
And you flatten it.
And then look how pretty it is. And
then it looks
look at that big turkey leg.
Yeah. So
come on here.
So I'm going to show you how to do. I know.
I know. How am I going to do it?
Well, let's go in the back so we don't make it look ugly.
There we go. Okay.
I also have a knife if you guys need a knife.
I'm just going to peel it off.
We find our way, Chef.
You're good.
Oh,
You're
that
good.
is good.
Okay.
So with 2 weeks left, you got to do the turkey. It takes 3 to 4 days of that brine.
Yeah, well, it takes about 2 days.
2 days.
Yeah, 2 days, 2 to 3 days.
That's a
what do you think?
great
turkey.
And it's salty, but not too salty. Right?
So what should we be thinking about right now, 2 weeks out?
2 weeks out, you can make your pie crust easily. You can actually, if you're doing an apple pie, you can actually assemble the apple pie and freeze it, and then just pop it in day before, day of.
Okay.
You can make your mashed potatoes
gosh, I'm
ahead
coming
of
over there
time.
together.
Absolutely. And look at the gravy, Jamie.
I know, I'm sorry. I'm going to mess this up.
Put some gravy on there so we can just dip on in.
Mashed potatoes are really easily frozen. You can mash them, you can freeze them, and then 2 days before, day before, let them defrost, and day of.
I'm just taking the whole
go
spoon.
for it.
do that.
Go for it.
Because this is my favorite.
Jamie, you've lost your mind.
Cranberry can also be made ahead. Roll dough can be made ahead. You can leave it in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. The things you just want to do day of, roast your turkey. You can actually roast it the day before and slice it. People don't know that, and just reheat it.
Good to know. And I know you offer several classes. Plus, we're running out of time. You wanted to show us something.
Let me do that.
So tell us about the classes you offer while you show us this.
We offer so many recreational classes, wonderful classes. We're doing Thanksgiving take and bake pies. We have holiday cookies. We have everything you could ever want.
I think you're going to have to teach Jamie how to make the mashed potatoes.
Otherwise,
she's going to follow you home.
Okay, this is how you spatchcock a turkey.
Oh, yeah, that's what I was asking.
Here's my little raw guy. You turn him over.
Turn him over.
There he is.
With a very strong pair of scissors, you cut the backbone out.
Oh!
You make that look easy.
Cut the turkey.
I have my shears here in case I need them.
Okay.
I would offer you help, but I'm not.
Chef Tracy, I don't think
good.
we can help you with this one.
Don't
we'll
worry.
offer moral support.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
There you go. So you just cut through.
Okay.
Till you get the backbone out.
We got to teach you how to fake stuff for TV. You're doing too much work, Chef Tracy.
You okay?
Don't hurt yourself.
Okay, now she's got the shears.
I got the shears.
Okay, so make sure you have some of those on standby.
Yep.
Oh.
And just take it out.
Don't worry. Yep, you take it out. It's much easier with a chicken than it is with a turkey.
Yeah.
That's true.
But we're literally just cutting that backbone out.
You're cutting the backbone out.
Okay.
You can save it to make stock if you want.
And then
listen, I'm glad we saw the finished version because we got to go, but I appreciate
Okay.
all the muscle you put into that, Chef Tracy.
No.
she's gonna get it.
She said no.
I did it.
Okay. Wait.
Yeah,
You got it. Show it.
Last thing.
Yay.
Tip it over. Break the breastbone.
What do you do? Pilates? You're strong. Chef Tracy, thank you.
Thank you
Phenomenal
so much.
job. And guys,
Thank
the Gourmandise
you.
School does have several classes, so make sure you head over
so
to
many
our
for
website.
every kind of cook or baker. Thank you guys so much.